Hey there, fellow adventurers. It's your travel savvy buddy, Savvy Rick Brown, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're delving into a question that stands as a crucial puzzle piece in the grand mosaic of any seasoned globetrotter's journey. Do you need an adapter or plug for your trusty phone and reliable laptop when immersing yourself in the enchanting tapestry of the beautiful city of Paris? Well, my curious comrades, let me unravel this particular quandary for you and lay out the essentials for a seamless exploration of the City of Lights. Picture this: you, under the shadow of the Eiffel Tower, capturing every moment on your phone and jotting down the details on your laptop at a charming Parisian cafe. But wait, before you get lost in this cinematic scenario, there's a practical matter at hand: the power game. Paris, often hailed as the city of lights and baguettes, beckons with its cultural opulence and, perhaps less known, a distinctive electrical tapestry that merits consideration before embarking on your French escapade. This City of Lights operates on a unique electrical system, adding an intriguing layer to your travel preparations. As you navigate the labyrinthine streets of Paris, your trusty companions, your smartphone and laptop, may find themselves yearning for a power boost. Paris predominantly utilizes the Type E socket, boasting a standard voltage of 230 V and a frequency of 50 Hz. Now, these might initially sound like mere technical details, but they hold the golden key to ensuring your devices remain charged and ready for action amid the captivating ambiance of the city. The Type E socket is an unmistakable figure 8 shape, potentially differing from the familiar sockets of your home country. But fear not if your chargers exhibit a different physique. This is where the hero of your tech travel kit enters the stage: the universal adapter. This ingenious gadget transcends the barriers of socket shapes, guaranteeing a seamless connection between your devices and the intricate power grid of Paris. So here's the sage advice for the savvy traveler. Before you lose yourself in the artistry of the Louvre or gaze in awe at the iconic Eiffel Tower, equip yourself with the knowledge of Paris's electrical nuances. With this unassuming yet powerful accessory, you won't miss a single beat while capturing the twinkling lights of Paris or typing away at your laptop in a quaint Montmartre cafe. In the grand symphony of your Parisian adventure, let the universal adapter play the role of conductor, harmonizing your tech gadgets with the rhythmic cadence of the city's power infrastructure. As you prepare to meander through the charming streets and alleys of Paris, rest assured that you're not merely exploring a city. You're navigating an immersive experience, a symphony composed of culture, cuisine, and, of course, connectivity. The universal adapter, your silent ally, ensures that every note of your technological symphony resonates perfectly in tune with the enchanting ambiance of Paris. All right, travelers, let's go on to the next section. Now, my savvy explorers, before you succumb to the enchantment of Parisian cobblestone streets and the tantalizing aroma of freshly baked baguettes, let's delve into a crucial checkpoint in your travel preparations. While the universal adapter stands as your trusty savior, it's prudent to pause for a moment and acquaint yourself with the unique needs of your cherished gadgets. Here's a nugget of wisdom from your friendly travel guru. Always, without fail, check the voltage requirements of your devices before you step foot on the hallowed ground of French soil. Paris's electrical landscape dances to a rhythm of 230 V standard voltage and a frequency of 50 Hz. Now, in the world of modern technology designed for a global audience, you might assume your gadgets are universal soldiers ready for any power battle. However, my tech-savvy compatriots, a touch of extra caution never hurt anyone. But why does this matter, you ask? Well, think of it as ensuring your devices speak the same language as the power outlets in Paris. Just like a seasoned traveler learns a few key phrases for effective communication, your gadgets need to be equipped to effortlessly converse with the local electricity, ensuring a seamless connection without any hiccups. While your smartphones, laptops, and cameras are often engineered as versatile globetrotters, capable of handling a spectrum of voltages, not every device boasts the same resilience. Some gadgets might be more sensitive to fluctuations in voltage, making it a prudent move to err on the side of caution when safeguarding your beloved tech companions. So before you embark on your odyssey to the City of Lights, take a moment to dive into the user manuals or specifications of your devices. This quick check is your insurance against unexpected surprises, ensuring your gadgets seamlessly sync with the French electricity grid, allowing you to capture, create, and stay connected without a glitch. In the grand tapestry of travel preparations, this seemingly small and meticulous step is the thread that weaves a narrative of a hassle-free and truly enjoyable adventure. Armed with your universal adapter and the intimate knowledge of your device's voltage compatibility, you transcend the realm of a mere traveler. You become a tech-savvy maestro orchestrating a symphony of connectivity in the heart of Paris. Before we continue our journey, let me share something that'll make your travel adventures even more savvy. Introducing Kiss My Baggage Fees, how to be a savvy travel hacker. Maximize your adventures with insider tips on flights, discounts, and more. Get your copy now, link in description. So, my savvy explorers, armed with the knowledge of Paris's distinctive electrical terrain and the indispensable universal adapter, you're now standing at the threshold of a seamless and electrifying adventure in the enchanting city of lights. As you set forth on this journey, make a solemn promise to yourself. Ensure that trusty adapter finds its snug place in your travel bag, for it is nothing less than your passport to uninterrupted connectivity amid the resplendence of Parisian landmarks. The act of tossing that universal adapter into your bag isn't just a practical move, it's the opening of a gateway to a world brimming with photographic possibilities. From capturing the effervescent lights of the Eiffel Tower against the night sky, to immortalizing the timeless art housed within the Louvre's walls, you'll be armed and ready to preserve each of these magical moments without the looming threat of power pitfalls along your path. And now, my fellow wanderers, as you stand on the brink of setting sail to explore the wonders of the world, bear in mind that every journey is a rich tapestry of discovery. Until our paths serendipitously cross once more on our next expedition, let my parting words linger in your hearts. Stay safe, stay curious, and keep exploring the world with an open heart. As you bid adieu to this chapter of exploration, I say to you, bon voyage. May the wind of your future travels be filled with joy, wonder, and the boundless excitement that comes with the perpetual discovery of the world.